Local news for Wednesday the 7th of November. Pukaha's annual garden tour fundraiser is on this weekend. This year's gardens are in the South Wairarapa and Carterton, with the likes of the Takata Country Gardens in Carterton, which has never been open to the public before. This year's tour also includes edibles and sustainable gardening techniques. A community concert is being held in Featherston tonight, 6 o'clock at the Anzac Hall. 3 Featherston schools are involved, with kapahaka on show. And the Tertiary Education Commission has released 2017 results for all polytechnics, showing that UCOL students continue to do well. UCOL's completion rate for 2017 was 79%. 41% of UCOL students go on to higher levels of study as well, following a level 1 to 4 qualification. And in sport, just one Giants team at home this weekend for the next round of intercity softball. With the Presidents away to Demons, the Women are away to Maidstone Park, where they take on Totoro Park, and the Prem 2s are at home 3:30 against Tawa.